Today we are going to solve problems using percents. Here you have a proportion. It is one fraction equal to another fraction. So you have a part out of a whole, un parte de total. Sometimes you can see words like is or of, but it means the same thing. All you do is cross multiply and solve. Let's take a look at some examples. What is 30% of 70 feet? We use this guide to help us to put our numbers in the correct spot. So tenemos una guía para ayudarnos. So do you know is? We don't. So you put X. No sabemos es y ponemos X, el variable. Of 70 feet, we know. So de 70. So you put 70 in the of spot. Do you know the percent? It's 30. Es 30. So you put 30 in the percent spot. 100 is always part of the problem. Siempre hay 100. Now let's cross multiply. X times 100 is 100x. Multiplicamos. 30 times 70. 2,100. Let's solve this equation. Divide both sides by 100. Dividimos dos lados. So x equals 21. Let's look at another example. 48 is what percent of 160? Let's use the guide. Usamos la guía. 48 is. So you know is. So sabemos es. Of 160. So ponemos el número para de. What percent? We don't know. No sabemos el porcentaje. So put the variable x. And don't forget about the 100. Now you got it. Cross multiply. Multiplicamos. 48 times 100 equals x times 160. Now let's solve. Resolvemos. X equals 30. Okay, one last problem. Here we use the same equation, but now you have the words part and whole, parte y total. It's the same thing as is and of. A team wins 24 games and loses 15. What is their winning percentage? So the part you are trying to find is the wins. El parte es 24. They win 24. Then you want to know the whole, el total. So you need to add our two numbers together. Necesitamos sumar. The total or the whole number of games is 39. Do you know the percent? No sabemos. What is it? Put the variable, put x. And don't forget about the 100. And you know what to do, cross multiply. Multiplicamos. And x times 39. Divide both sides by 39, and x equals 61.5. I hope this helped you solve some problems using percents. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications on new videos.